बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। रटना नहीं है, समझना है। My name is Sayyid Raza. I am a student of class 3. My school name is Factorization Islamic School System, Hyderabad, Pakistan. Today we are going to learn class 9 maths, chapter number 4, factorization, exercise 4.3, question number 2, part 3. Also there are solving of methods too. We are using the method middle term break methods. Also there are types of algebraic expression. We are using the type 4 of B bracket x plus a bracket x plus b bracket x plus c bracket x plus d bracket plus k. And also the book answers and the steps are written. First of all, rearrange like brackets, this like brackets, and this. So first of all, x minus 4, then x minus 1, then x minus 2, then x minus 3 and minus 99. Then this. Now here we have done this. Now second, multiply like brackets and curly bracket, this and this bracket. This will be multiplied with this whole bracket, x minus 1. Then this will be multiplied with this bracket, minus 4 x minus 1 curly bracket. This will be multiplied with this whole bracket, x bracket x minus 3. Then this minus 2 will be multiplied with this whole bracket. Then again curly bracket minus 99. In curly bracket again we need to multiply. First of all, this will be multiplied with this whole bracket. Then this will be multiplied with this whole bracket, 4x plus 4. Then this will be multiplied with this, and this will be multiplied with this, minus 3 x minus 2x plus 6 minus 99. We have done this. Before go ahead, we have one more possibility, this and this. X square minus 5x plus 4 x square minus 5x minus plus 6 minus 99. Then equate like term. Equate like terms with any variable. Now this and this, x square minus 5x is equal to t. Now then bracket t plus 4 x square minus 5x is equal to t, then t plus 4, then t plus 6 minus 99. And you have noted, can I remove it? This 9 is removed. Then now this t will become here t plus 6 plus 4 t plus 6 minus 99. Then this will be multiplied again. T square plus 6t plus 4t (24 minus 99). Then this and this, t square plus 10t minus 99. Minus 9, 24 minus 9 for 5, 75. So here we needed to break millitron. So first of all, t square will become plus 15t minus 5t minus 75. T will be common here, t plus 15, then 5 will be common here. Then this t plus 15 will become here, t minus 5 will become here. Then equate back like terms. X square minus 5x plus 15 x square minus 5x minus 5 bracket, and it's become your answer. The book answers are written, you can check it. First of all, x square minus 5x plus 15, x square minus 5x plus 15, x square minus 5x minus 5, x square minus 5x minus 5. Okay, no subscribe, no like, only share.